Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, if you're managing buildings, repair or maintenance team, you know it gets messy, especially with old system. That's why there is Brightly Asset Essential, a cloud-based tool for smart maintenance. It helps you manage work orders, assets, and preventive tasks. In this video, we will show you the main features, how they help your team, and why Brightly is a top choice in 2025. Let's start with work order management. You can create jobs, assign them, track them all from one easy dashboard. Each task shows priority, asset used, time worked, material need, and notes. This keeps your team organized and no job missed. Next, preventive maintenance scheduling. You can set tasks for HVAC, electric system, vehicles, or any asset. Brightly sends alerts and reminders so works get done on time. This helps reduce breakdowns, repair costs, and keeps things running longer. Another big thing, asset tracking. You can see the full history of each item, conditions, maintenance log, warranties, where it is, how it is used. So this helps you decide fix it or replace it. Brightly helps you plan for the long term, smart and easy. Now, mobile access and work order updates. You can use your phones and tablet to view job details, add notes or photos, mark jobs done. Everything updates in real time. This makes work faster and helps the office and fill time talk better. Next, report and dashboard. You can track performance, labor time, tax trend, and PM with preventive maintenance status as well. You will see the KPIs clearly and know where to improve. So, why use Brightly Asset Essential? It is for your school, hospital, factories, government, and more. Whether you manage one building or many locations, Brightly grows with you. So in 2025, it trusts for strong support, easy setup, smart tools, cloud, and mobile access. So if you're tired of messy tracking or paper-based system, Brightly can help you stay organized, proactive, and data smart. It helps you track assets, manage repair, avoid last-minute chaos, and make smarter decisions. That's why Brightly makes maintenance easy in 2025 and beyond. That's for this video. I hope you like this video. So please subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.